Okay guys, with this softbox, you can go from this to this cinematic professional lighting. With no further ado, let's get started. Today, we are going to take a look at Godox SB-UBW80 80cm Octa SOFTBOX. I have got it in a good looking black bag, which is pretty good. It is a Velcro type bag, so it's easy to handle. Let me quickly open this and see what's inside. First, we can see the softbox, which is already connected with the handles. Then, there is a light diffuser inside a plastic packet, which is usually used to diffuse that direct light to make it softer. Next, there is a silica gel, let's put that aside. Okay, first, let's take that light diffuser out of the packet. In optics, a diffuser, also called a light diffuser or optical diffuser, is any material that diffuses or scatters light in some manner to transmit soft light. Diffused light can be easily obtained by reflecting light from a white surface. Okay, now let's set up our Godox softbox on a light stand. First you will need a light mount which is also capable of holding a softbox or an umbrella. Let's mount it to the light stand. Now, let's set up our softbox to the light mount. First, open the softbox as usual, and then push the rod exactly like opening an umbrella. After hearing a click sound, it is fully opened. It has this zip on bottom. Means, it cannot be used with bigger lights. You can set the softbox to light stand, exactly like I am doing there. Okay, guys, before starting, make sure that all fittings are tight. Here, you can adjust the bottom like this. It's up to you. This aluminium reflector will reflect the light and make it brighter. The fitting and hinges looks good to me. The build quality is pretty well. They have done a decent job. You can remove the rod from softbox by getting it out of this. Let me just put the light diffuser and see how it looks like. It can be attached easily using the Velcro. Okay, now let's test how far it can go. The video you are seeing now is without the light diffuser, and yeah, it's not that good. Looking like shit. You can see the camera setting and other details in the left bottom. The video you are seeing now is with the light diffuser attached to the softbox. And, this seems pretty good. Looks like more professional, because we are getting a soft light. Let me just turn off all lights and show you one by one. First, I am opening the door to show the separation of the subject from the background. Next, I am turning on the hair light. Next, turned on the fill light. And now, here is our key light. Well yeah, the softbox is making a great difference. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment your questions, share with your friends, and, at last, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to all. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.